Hello YouTube, I'm doing a review on my Jack Daniel's Zippo. I bought it off eBay for $15. It was made in July of 2008. It's a real Zippo. Some of the ways you tell her by the pins and the hinge. I'll do a later video on that. The insert was made in September of 2008. I just received this 2 days ago. This is my first video and my first Zippo. I have a wider collection, but I'll do a later video on it too. This is the box it came in. Right here. This is Jack Daniel's old number 7 brand. It came in this. It has the warranty information and care and everything in here. Just says how to use it. Here's some other products right here. There's the guarantee. I highly recommend this wider. It was a buy it now, and like I said, I got it for $15.79 I think, and it was free shipped, so it was a pretty good buy. Alright. It's a nice wider, I think. I don't know, it's my first Zippo, but thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. There will be more videos up soon. Thanks.